Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Today, we'll cook something really festive for you guys that you can do easily at home. Today, we're gonna cook a special dish. It's actually dumplings, but Wagyu beef dumplings. So over here, we got some minced Wagyu beef, some ginger, some chives, some garlic, and Japanese maitake mushrooms that I've sauteed with some dry chili to give it a more smoky and earthy flavor. So let's get into it. Put all the chives in, and then onto the ginger. You can put maybe 2 teaspoons of ginger, but it's all like minced and fine. Now, about a tablespoon of garlic. Let's do 2 tablespoons, because I love garlic. And then you can add all the maitake mushrooms that I've sauteed with dried chili. Alright, now you take your lovely chopsticks, give it a good mix. Ooh. Make sure everything is incorporated into the meat. Well, I'm just gonna use my hands because it's my house and I'm gonna eat it with my friends. Make sure you wash your hands before you cook. It's very important. Hygiene. Let's put in some of the spices. I've got Chinese 5 spice. What's that? Put about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons. And then some white pepper. Oh, put about 2 to 3 teaspoons. And now you add in your sesame seed oil. About 2 tablespoons worth, because we want a nice sesame kind of taste inside. Spiced vinegar. I like to use this brand because it has an old man on it. Spiced vinegar. That's about a 1/4 cup. That's all you need. Don't put too much. Some light soy sauce. About a tablespoon or 2. This bad guy. Dark soy sauce. So you can put 2 tablespoons inside. Get with your hand. Get it all in. Get it all in there. So now when you've got everything mixed together, to make the dumplings, you can buy these tiny little dumpling sheets in your local grocery store. So just take a little bit of your meat and stuff, and yeah, make like a dumpling. Seal the sides. Don't forget to put your water, wet your hands, and just fold like you would a curry puff. You can do whatever kind of shape you want, you know, you can try it out. It's all fun, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like 3, so you kind of get this kind of shape, like a half moon crescent shape thing. I made more than 3. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So we're gonna boil them first, and then we're gonna sear them so they have like a twin texture. Boil it. One by one, guys, one by one. Ooh. So wait till they float up, and then you know they're ready. So let's let them stay in the water for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Sila, when they float up, you know they're ready. Just keep an eye on them.
Choose English.
Can I advise you something?
Lain pula.
Tadi siapa nak jual? Tak tahu nak buat macam mana. Awak hantar abang awai-awai ayam. Mana pukul-pukul ya? Semalam awak hantar abang. Telur dah habis.
Dumpling siap bro.
Pergi dulu lah. Pergi dulu.
Okay. So when it's already done, gently scoop these guys out. Okay, put them on a plate. Just let them relax. Now, time to sear them off a bit. Take some olive oil or any oil you like. Gently place these guys on the pan till they're a little bit golden brown. Just a bit. So yeah, make sure you don't really stick to the pan because that would be catastrophic. You can hear them sizzle away. It's like they're singing to you and say, oh, we're happy in here. Just wait a bit. 2 minutes, 1 minute each side. Aha! There you go. Kinda brown, golden pink. So after this, I'll be plating all these guys up and I'm gonna eat it. So just watch me eat, guys. In a few. See you in a bit. So I'm gonna have a bite or two, and I made this chili oil with some chili oil and fried garlic. And let's see what it tastes like. Thank you guys for tuning in to the show. See you guys in the next episode, and Happy New Year!